After certain season or time, every plant loses its beauty and starts to look dull. It happens with all types of plants, though it is vegetable, flower or ornamental. For example, this plant. All of you know this plant as purple turtle vine or Bolivian jew. Earlier, all the leaves of this plant were looking green, but now all they have become brown and turned dry. Hello everyone, I am Ranjita. In this video, I'll discuss how to care this plant to make it look green in all the season. Let's begin. I love this plant as the leaves are purple in color and it looks like a big sized ball when you hang it. It looks different from other plants that I have, but the leaves do not remain same for long time. After certain period of time, it looks dense and fuller from all the sides. With time, the plant will grow like this and all its leaves start to look brown and becomes dry regardless of all the cares you have given to it. Why does it happen? Here we have to understand a simple thing. Every single thing has an expiry. And this is a plant only. It has to go through this phase, but you can make this plant look the same as it was looking earlier. So let's see what should you do to make this plant look green all the time. First, I uproot it from the container. Then I take out the soil from the container and mix good compost to the soil. Once it is done, I refill the container with potting mix. Now take small cuttings of this plant and put this in the soil. Try to put maximum number of cuttings as there is a chance that some of these cuttings may not grow. Once you are done, water it properly. After this, you should keep the cuttings in a shaded place. You have to check the cuttings regularly. At this time, avoid adding water to the cuttings daily. These cuttings need moisture to start rooting. If you will make the soil damp by adding more water, cuttings may rot and cannot form roots. How will you test your soil? I always use my finger and touch the soil. If the soil sticks on the finger, means no need to add water. Once all the cuttings form roots, they will start to outgrow. Yet, it shouldn't be exposed to the sunlight. They will not grow properly if you do so. This plant falls in the succulent category. How to know it? Let's check with a leaf. This leaf is thick, it feels like a cushion. There is tiny water vessels inside it. It means leaves of this plant store water and use when needed by the plant. So when you expose it to the sun, its leaves start to lose water due to transpiration. Eventually, the leaves become wilt and dry. It grows very fast when you keep it under shade and the leaves remain green for long period of time. Now I will come to that question that is being asked commonly. What type of fertilizer should be added to make it look green in all the season? Honestly, this plant doesn't need fertilizer. The fertilizer that you had added at the time of repotting is enough for this plant. Only you have to check the soil. This is a moisture loving plant, so add water when necessary to maintain the moisture level in the soil. Spray water on the plant once in a week to remove the dust particle from the leaves. This way the leaves of this plant will look fresh and green. Insect attacks are very rare on this plant. You may find aphids occasionally, but this happens when you keep so many plants close to each other. As it is crowded and covered with many branches from all the sides, proper aeration is needed for this plant, so avoid keeping other plants near to it. So these are the tips to maintain greenery on your purple turtle vine in all the season. I hope these tips will save your plant. Try these tips today and share your experience in the comment section below this video. Subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get notification about the new video. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.